Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into a sample from the wonderful house of Memo Paris. And I do believe this is the last sample of the pack, sad face. But it's been a great experience. We're not going to waste too much time. We're going to get straight into this. This is Memo Ilha. Probably screwing that up. But let's go ahead and get it into the spirit quickly here. There it is, fresh spray, fresh spray, fresh. We're gonna get straight into the notes here. And, oh, this is very floral, very floral. This is good. This is good. All right, so floral bronco, floral, mel, dole. Oh, this is in Spanish. Oh man, where's the English version? I don't know why I pulled it up in Spanish. That's insane. All right. I was like, what? All right, well, you got, in the top notes, you got Jacinto, Mandarin, Zimbro. In the middle notes, you have Mel, which I'm guessing is honey, Jasmine, Floral, De Landera, Gista, and Iris. And in the base, you have vanilla, which I think is vanilla. All right, so this is a very, very pretty, juicy jasmine scent. It's a jasmine. This is feminine. I mean, it's leaning so hard feminine. It kind of reminds me of Nisane's tuberose in a way. That juiciness of it. It doesn't have tuberose in it, so that's different there, but the juicy component of it, it smells like a flower. But yeah, this is mostly feminine. I see this being a very, very feminine fragrance. I think my audio just disconnected. I got a sign saying, hey, we're dead. But yeah, this isn't too bad. I like it. I think that this would be wonderful on a woman, especially on like a summer day. It also has, what I'm getting is some sort of linen musk, and that might just be the jasmine coming through. It's not anything that's overly crazy. I think you'll like this if you like jasmine and if you like a simple fragrance. It's very well blended. It doesn't necessarily smell like anything that is too overpowering, too cloying. It's a very simple, very sweet fragrance. I like this. I think this would be a great gift. It is also very mature. It's not the fragrance that is overly youthful. It's a very, very mature fragrance. But again, it is super feminine. And yeah, it's a flower bomb. Anyway, those are my initial impressions. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Join the Accord, one newsletter a month. Just some stuff that's going on and recommendations that I have for you guys, all right? So, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.